Good morning, students. Today we will continue the remaining part of the lesson which we have discussed in the last session. And do you remember the name of the lesson? Yes, the name of the lesson is The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. And do you remember about what topics we have discussed? Yes, we have discussed about the life of a country and a life of a city. And do you feel which one is peaceful in both of them? The countryside is peaceful because we don't find any type of disturbances, any type of pollutions like sound pollution, water pollution, and air pollution. Whereas in cities, we find different types of pollutions and it makes our life horrible. And in the lesson, we were talking about two cousins. And who were they? The one is the town mouse, and the second one is country mouse. Who visited country? Who visited the countryside? The town mouse, because as he was ill with cough, his doctor suggested him to take a vacation to countryside. That's why he visited his cousin who lives in countryside. But what did he feel while traveling in the train? He thought that he would have caught the train of AC coach because the day was very hot and he felt uncomfortable. And when he reached the countryside, what did he ask his cousin? He was asking for an orange juice or a lemonade. But what did the country mouse offered him? Water or coconut water. Normal means normal water or coconut water. But and what did they have for their dinner? A tender piece of fruit and a bit of sugar cane. Was the town mouse satisfied with the dinner? No, because he will not, means he won't eat raw foods. That's why he is not satisfied with the dinner. And where did he slept? He slept on the ground. And what did the doubt he got? He got a doubt that why the country is completely silent. And what did the country mouse explain to town mouse about the silence? He said that the place where he is living is the quietest village in the district, and sometimes it will be more quieter than the day. Did the town mouse like the countryside? No. Till there we have uh, learned the lesson, and we will continue with the remaining part of the lesson today. Next morning, the town mouse found that there was no breakfast ready. His cousin told him that they had to go to the nearby farm in search of food. When they wake up next morning, the town mouse found that the breakfast was not ready. Then his cousin told that they need to go to nearby farm in search of food. We are sure to find something there, he said. A nice piece of root or a tender bit of sugar cane. Then he was saying that sure we will find something there. There means in the farm. It may be a piece of root or a tender bit of sugar cane. Tender means soft and easy to cut or bite. But the town mouse had enough. Thank you, cousin, he said. But I think I will catch the next train home. I have suddenly remembered that I have forgotten something. But the town mouse had enough. Thank you, cousin, he said. He said to country mouse that he had enough and thank you with the food. But I think I will catch the next train home. I have suddenly remembered that I have forgotten something. Then he is thinking to himself that he is satisfied with the food and he want to catch the next train to his home. But later suddenly he remembered something that he has forgotten. A few days later, the country mouse wrote to his cousin, the town mouse, here is the letter. He remembered that the country mouse has wrote to him saying that mouse hole, mouse country. 22nd March 2012. My dear cousin, I hope you are well. I am worried about you. I would like to visit you and make sure you are all right. With love, your cousin, Country Mouse. To Town Mouse, Kitchen Cupboard, Mouse Town. Then he remembered that Country Mouse has written a letter. In that letter, he mentioned that he is worried about the town mouse. So he want to visit his place and make sure that is all right. The town mouse received the letter and read it. Since he was in a hurry, he sent a telegram to the country mouse. Here is his telegram. As the mouse received the letter, he read it and he was little bit in hurry and he telegrammed to the country mouse. What did he telegrammed? Overjoyed, come soon, town mouse. And what do you mean by telegram? Yes, the telegram means a message that is sent by a system that uses electrical signals and that is there printed and given to somebody. So normally we write letters and now we are using mobiles, but before we used to write letter and the postman used to come distribute those letters to whom we have written. In the same way the telegram also, but it is sent, means it uses electrical signals for sending. In that telegram, what he has written, overjoyed, come soon, town mouse. A few days later, the country mouse arrived in the town. He was surprised by the noise and the lights. Later, after some days, country mouse went to town and he was surprised by the by the sounds and by seeing the lights. Why are there why are there lights even in the middle of the night, he asked. Then the country mouse asked the town mouse that why there are lights even in the middle of the night. This is the town, his cousin replied. Here there are lights even in the middle of the day. Then his cousin was saying that this is the town. Here, not only in the middle of the night, but also in the day also, the lights will be on. And what is this dreadful noise that never stops? Asked the country mouse. Dreadful means very bad or unpleasant. Then he was asking that what is this bad noise which never stops? That is the traffic, the town mouse replied. That is the noise made by buses, lorries, cars, and aeroplanes. Then he explains who the town mouse explains to the country mouse, saying that this is the sound of traffic, and this sound is made by the buses, lorries, cars, and aeroplanes. But the country mouse did not like it at all. All this noise has made my head ache, he said. Could I have some water to drink? Then he said that I did not, means he didn't like the sounds of that uh, place and he got headache and he was asking his cousin to give some water to drink. Why only water? Said the town mouse. Look at what there is for you. Ice cold lemonade, orange juice. Which one do you want? Then the town mouse was saying that why only water? There are so many things like lemonade and orange juice for you. So, which one you want to drink? He was asking which one you want to drink. Just some water, answered the country mouse. Some water and a little bit of food. Then the country mouse said, just some water, means he don't want to take that lemonade or orange juice. So he said that he want only some water and some a little bit of food. I have plenty of food, cousin, said the town mouse proudly. You can eat as much as you like. Then the town mouse was saying that he has a plenty of food. Saying proudly means town mouse was saying proudly that he has plenty of food and you can eat how much you want. Means proudly means with a feeling of pleasure or satisfaction. Sure enough, the house of the town mouse at the back of a kitchen cupboard was full of most delicious food. Where was the house of this town mouse? In the back of a kitchen cupboard, and it has most delicious food. There were bread and jam, different kinds of fruits, slabs of chocolate, and a huge piece of lovely cheese. And he was saying that what all the food they are having in the cupboard. There was bread and jam, different kinds of fruits, slabs of chocolate. Slabs means a thick or flat piece, and a huge piece of lovely cheese. Eat, cousin, eat, said the town mouse. But just then there was a sound like a thunder, and the town mouse shouted, run, cousin, run, run. Then the town mouse was saying that you can eat how much you want. In the meanwhile, they heard a sound like a thunder. Then the town mouse was shouting that, run, cousin, run. The town mouse pushed the country mouse out through a hole in the back of the cupboard. The country mouse felt his heart beating very fast. But what is it? He asked. Then the town mouse pushed the country mouse out through a hole in the back of the cupboard. The country mouse felt that he can feel his heart beating very fastly when the town mouse pushed him from the hole. But what is it? He asked. Then the country mouse asked the town mouse that what is happening. Then shh, whispered the town mouse, wait. Then the town mouse was saying that wait. When everything was silent again, the town mouse crept out of the hole. He was quite cheerful again. After the sound has completely means when they was unable to listen the sounds, everything was silent. Then again the town mouse crept out of the hole. Crept means to move very quietly and carefully so that nobody will notice them. As they are hiding in the hole, then they after the noises has uh, completely means when they stop listening the sounds, then they crept from the hole. Crept means I told you that to move very quietly and carefully that no one will see them. Crept out of the hole. He was quite cheerful again, means he was normal, means as if nothing has happened. Come out now, cousin, he said. That was only somebody opening cupboard door. We are safe now. But they were not safe for very long. Twice more they had to run for safety when somebody opened the cupboard. Then he called his cousin saying that there's nothing to worry. There was someone opening the cupboard door. Now we are safe. After that again they heard the same noise for two times, and they have to run and they have to protect themselves from the people seeing them. So again they started running for their safety when the cupboard was opened. The country mouse got quite tired of running and hiding. I want to go back to the country, he said. we may not meet much we may not get much food there, but at least we can eat in peace. By running and hiding, Country Mouse got tired and he want to go back to his countryside. And he was saying that we may not have much food there to eat, but at least we will eat in peace. Means here they are running that no one should see, but there whatever it may be little also they will eat in peace. So the next day the country mouse went back to his house in the country, and the town mouse stayed on in his cupboard in the town. And as far as I know, they did not visit each other again. So immediately the next day the country mouse went back to his house in the country, and the town mouse also stayed in his cupboard in the town. And as far as I know, they did not visit each other again, because they didn't meet each other again, because country mouse is not satisfied with the village side. Means the country mouse is not satisfied with the town mouse, because there in the town they need to every time they need to run and they need to hide from people, whereas in the town they can eat peacefully, even it may be a little food. So they both didn't like their places. Means as the town mouse didn't like the countryside and the country mouse didn't like the city, so they didn't meet again. And the hard words from this lesson are tender, telegram, dreadful, proudly, slab, creep. And students, I want you to write these meanings in your notes. And home assignment for you is write the hard words and meanings in the notes. Here I have given you the meanings of the hard words which I have given you. I want you to write them in your notes, and you have to learn the meanings, spellings of the hard words. Okay, students, we will continue the lesson in the next class. Thank you. Have a good day.